One of the things that I end up doing surprisingly often on this channel is digging through old tapes that come in with equipment. VHS tapes, high-8 VHS camcorder recordings, old TV broadcasts, and even laserdisc players. Occasionally, something generally interesting turns up deserves preserving, but the actual process of checking and capturing the tapes is a complete faff. So what caught my attention about this little device wasn't HDMI recording, it's the fact I can plug any of my devices directly into it, stick a USB drive or a memory card into the side, press record, and walk away. At least that's the theory. So this is the ClonerAlliance Box Pro Pocket, and today I'm going to find out whether it can generally replace my current capture setup. For years my workflow has involved using a Panasonic DMR series combi deck purely to convert the analog signal into HDMI so I can feed that into my A10 Pro switcher and then into a PC running OBS Studio to capture it. It works, but it takes up half the workbench, ties up my workshop PC for hours at a time, and means I can't actually use the computer or the workbench for anything productive while a tape plays out in real time. Thanks to ClonerAlliance for sending me this unit over to have a look at. So let's start with what you actually get in the box. Aside from the main unit, you get a power supply, a HDMI cable, a USB cable, a remote control, a battery, and what only can be described as the Swiss Army knife of breakout cables. One end plugs into the connector on the recorder, and the other end breaks out into composite, component, audio, and VGA. So if you're dealing with modern gear, that's not very exciting, but if you're dealing with old vintage equipment like I do, it's a game changer. In fact, including the HDMI input, you can pretty much connect any device and record the content, provided it's 1080p or below and not copy protected. You could even connect it to a camera and use it as a monitor. There's a HDMI output and remote control supplied, so you can plug it into your TV when you're finished and watch back what you've saved on the SD card as a standalone source. The unit itself is compact, lightweight, and runs from a removable battery that clips onto the rear, and a nice touch, the battery actually has a built-in USB-C port, so you can charge it directly without needing any additional cables or docks. On the front, you've got a built-in thin screen, storage indicators, dedicated physical controls. Around the side, there's support for both USB drives and micro SD cards. To understand why I was interested in this thing, you need to understand just how ridiculous my current setup has become. So the VHS tape or DVD or whatever goes into the Panasonic recorder, that then goes via HDMI to my switcher, then on the PC, into OBS Studios, and then record. It's also a massive amount of hardware to have tied up just to see what's on a tape. Worse still, it actually stops me from being able to use the space and equipment for an intended purpose, repairing an old tech and filming it. Instead of having to route through everything through a multitude of boxes, I can disconnect directly the source device to the ClonerAlliance. The built-in screen shows the live feed immediately, so there's no need for PC, no need for OBS, no drivers, no Windows updates. That's probably the biggest win for me. I don't have to sit at the desk babysitting and recording. I can leave this running in the corner of the bench while I'm repairing a cassette deck, or servicing a VCR, testing an amplifier, and just keep an eye on it. I can even have it sat in my office while I'm writing a script or bidding on an auction. Just the source machine and the cloner. If something interesting shows up on the tape, I simply hit record. There's quite a few different options in the menus. To be honest, I've not really touched any of the settings because you don't really need to touch them. All you need to do is select your input, press record, and off you go. There's even a microphone support if you want to record commentary alongside the video. The speaker's nothing special, but it's perfectly fine for confirming audio exists on a tape. So I think this tape's the keeper. At around £260, this definitely isn't an impulse purchase. You'll need to use it regularly enough for the convenience to justify its price. So is the ClonerAlliance Box Pocket Pro worth it? Well, that all depends on what you need to use it for. In my case, it's definitely been worth it. The sheer convenience of being able to free up a lot of equipment and space justifies the purchase price. What it does really do is remove a mountain of unnecessary hardware from the workspace. Instead of a VCR, a converter, a switcher, a capture card, a PC and OBS all running simultaneously, I've now just got this one little box sitting on top of the connected source machine. Links are in the description if you want to take a look at one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.